Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about computer cleaning because I got a new gadget that's going to replace these things. I get so sick and tired of buying these things, especially if you try to get cheap and then the trigger mechanisms are cheap. Alright, this one's not screwed up for some reason, but I've had these before. You go to use them, they screw up. The cans freeze and the pressure drops. It sucks. Then you got to warm it up, you know, like either doing this or I found actually a trick, run it under hot water. So if you have to buy these and you find the can gets cold and not blowing out as much pressure, run it under hot water. Just this part. Run it under hot water for just a couple of minutes, and then you get your pressure back. But if you're like me and tired as hell of having to buy the cans of compressed air, I got something new. Now, again, this is not sponsored. The company that I got this from, I got it off Amazon. Amazon doesn't sponsor me. The company that made this does not sponsor me. But I like doing tech reviews, and I got this to make my life easier for doing computer cleaning. It's from a company called Sunshine, or the product is Sunshine. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it just Sunshine is the brand and the product. But it's a electric duster. It replaces these things. It's a corded unit. It's not cordless, so you got to plug it into the wall. Standard North American outlet. I'm pretty sure you could probably get for other countries, or at the very least get an adapter. It's a little bit of a bulky unit. I don't know if you can see it well enough, but yeah, it's got some heft to it. It's a little heavy. It's got a filter on the bottom. Comes with accessories. Comes with 3 accessories. And it comes with 2 replacement filters. Although these things look like they're cleanable, so yeah, probably just run it underwater, clean them, and you're good to go. Also comes with these 3 little brushes, and believe it or not, they actually included this like, it's one of those little jelly blobs for cleaning gunk out of like your keyboard or like in your car, you know, for like the heat vents and stuff. You know, just getting into the little cracks and crevices, and the dust and dirt stick to it and whatnot. I don't know if I'm ever going to use it because I think these things are kind of weird. If you're not that dirty of a person, and you know, this is kind of pointless. But you never know. I don't know. But this thing, on the other hand, 550 watts, 3/4 horsepower motor in this thing. And the nice thing is the switch, it doesn't just flip on and stay on. It's a temporary switch. So you go to turn it on, and this thing is powerful. In fact, let me show. It pushes the empty box just like that. And it's got these, you know, little adapters that you can put onto it. I'm not sure why this one has a hole on the end. It's okay, I can understand a hole on the end, but I don't understand a hole right here. But either way, but you got this one, and then you got this one. It localizes it a little bit more, but in more of an oval shape. And they just slip onto the end, just like this. And then just that simple. And then of course it's got this one. Not sure how useful this one would be, but yeah, it kind of localizes it in more of a flat pattern. So yeah, I can kind of see that. I'm more or less going to probably be using this one just to get it in there. But The filter, the replacement filters, they kind of fit in the bottom here. Just kind of pluck the old one out, kind of squeeze the new one in. And away you go. You just kind of have to kind of squish it down in there and kind of flatten it out. And it's not the most convenient, but it's also not that hard. So, but yeah, it works on 120 volt, 60 hertz power, 550 watts of power. This thing is, I mean, yeah, this thing will blow these. This is like a partially full can. This one's almost a full can. And okay, it's not gonna blow it over, but it doesn't. Hell, even from this distance. Yep, and there goes the box. So I got this for, I think it was $51.59 on Amazon. And on their website, I think it was like $51.54. So yeah, on Amazon you pay 5 cents more. Big deal. So I think it's worth it. Really. I mean, with as powerful as this thing is, I actually can't wait now to use this on a computer that's all dusty and dirty. Because again, I am tired of buying these damn things. They suck. This thing blows. And in a good way. So, if you like what you saw, you got questions or comments, or just, you know, you want to dissipate some hatred, get out in the comments section and leave it there. If you want to see more of this content, subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified next time I upload a video. I am trying to get better about uploading videos. I just started a new job, so I'm not sure how often I'm going to be able to get to it. But because I pay for everything out of pocket, I'm not sponsored by anybody, so yeah. But see you guys in the next video.